Isn't that great? He didn't close his mouth though, did he?
Yeah, this is so cool.
Check out this fish. Hey, Dad, Jeffrey, put your hand down there. Let's see how big he is. Here, look. I need some kind of reference. There you go.
There he goes. He's tired. You want a reference? Put your toe over here.
Yeah, get your toes out.
Look, he's tearing up.
Man, that dude's got a tail, doesn't he? That's a shovel handle.
You want a reference? Here's a reference. Look here. Wearing my hat. That's how big he is.
That's a big turtle.
Should have put it on his head. I'll put your head on his head. He's got a nose like a raccoon.
Or a pig.
That's all he sticks out of the water ever, is that nose.
Well, I'm glad I didn't. Glad we didn't like
What's
land
that?
on it.
You're gonna chop its head off with the shovel?
No, I would not. Unless somebody wants it.
Clean up, clean up.
So good. I'm cleaning up.
Everybody
Look at me, I'm
everywhere.
cleaning up.
Okay. Clean up, everybody do your share. Cleaning the bags of chips. Cleaning, clean up, everybody everywhere. Y'all aren't cleaning. Nobody else is cleaning except for me. Now,
Show what we're gonna play.
we're in a store.
No.
And it's got two pool tables, a little market over here, and t-shirts, and there's a laundromat back here, a restaurant.
There's the chef, sous chef.
Very cool. And then it's dark in there. I'm scared. There's the food. And there's the restaurant.
Tell her to smile while you're snapping her picture.
Smile.
There you go. There's the hours. Check the hours. Read it.
Yep, we're at a bar. Bar hours. Open when I'm here. Closed when I'm not. Clever. And there's the worm bar. That's nice.
You want to go that fast?
Campsite number 46. We'll miss you. Won't we, Caleb?
It's a barren wasteland now. It was beautiful.
Where are our tents?
The tents have gone.
Where are our hammocks?
The jet skis are in the trailer. You went ahead and did it anyway, huh?
Are you okay, Jeffrey?
Stop it!
No crying. And Kayla's just looking like Wallace.
It's Wallace. It's
Yes,
Wallace.
we're leaving!
He's wearing a kilt, a jean kilt, and flip-flops.
Where's your sword?
She doesn't need one. Look at that nose.
William.
And there's her red-headed friend. Remember the friend?
Oh,
We're
the Irish one.
Yeah, the Irish
My
one.
island.
We're the nuisance sisters.
It's my island.
It's mine. Ted gave it to me. I love that guy.
everything?
He's got a potty mouth.
Yeah.